Welcome to PBC Linear. PBC Linear has a history of quality engineering, building up a library of patents and pending patents. 4 of these proprietary processes have been key to the success of PBC Linear. First, Simplicity bearings have been developed and refined since the beginning of PBC Linear. The Simplicity bearing features our innovative Freelon surface bonded to an anodized aluminum bearing. This provides a self-lubricating, maintenance-free bearing that excels where ball bearings fail. Reliable, durable, vibration dampening with a wide temperature range of performance, the Simplicity bearing solves many of the challenges of harsh environments. Second, Simultaneous Integral Milling Operation, SIMO. This process qualifies the surface of a rail to tolerances that have 6 times less bow, 2 times less twist, and 2 times better flatness, providing a highly accurate long rail cost-effectively. Third, the SIMO process is utilized for joining hardened steel raceways to an anodized aluminum profile for a precise, durable, and lightweight rail. These rails are featured in our Integral V and Ready Rail lines of linear guides. Fourth, PBC Linear developed an innovative anti-backlash lead screw nut called Constant Force Technology Nut. A spring applies uniform radial pressure from the polymer nut to the lead screw at all stages of travel along the lead screw. This simple 2-piece design provides great performance and long life to a number of PBC Linear actuators. PBC Linear, specializing in high-performance components, sophisticated subassemblies, and optimized system solutions.